You spent some time using DimXpert, but mainly using the auto dimension scheme. As we start to learn more and more about all there is to GD&T, we're going to step away from using the auto dimension scheme and manually applying our dimensions and geometric tolerances. So as a beginning exercise, I want you to use mainly just these location and size dimensions. As you can see here, I have this pretty simple part that you made in chapter 2 during the tutorial. I have it set up here fully dimensioned with 2 datums, and it's all green. I'm going to delete this and try this again. I will warn you that this thing can be a little finicky as far as I can tell, because this is probably my 4th try to get this to do this while recording one of these videos. So we'll see how far I get. But as you can see, it is doable. So I'm going to right click, delete, and yes. So one thing I'm going to start with the size dimension. I was doing faces to faces, but a quicker way of doing that is selecting edges. So there's that size. If I hit tilde, I can switch to the top view. Sometimes that won't always work, which that might show up here as I'm recording this. So I'm going to place that there. Now, if I don't hit this check mark, I can continue placing dimensions. So I can go from here to here, tilde, top, place that there, check mark. Well, I want to quick put a datum. Let's see if this works. So this should, when I select, I'll set this to A, this surface, it should apply it. Yep, okay, it worked. It applies it directly to this width dimension. Alright, let's keep doing this. So size dimension, click on this edge, tilde top, that goes there. Let's click on this edge, that'll give us our height. Front plane's fine for that. Let's click on this edge. That's good. And click on this edge to this edge. Tilde top. That's good. Now I'm going to check mark. I'm going to use a distance or location dimension from this edge to this edge. Tilde top. This edge to this edge. Tilde. See, here I did it. I want this on top, but it's not giving me the option. If I click it here and then hit tilde again, now I can put it on top. Don't know why, but that seems to work. Okay, so we have that dimension, that dimension. Because I selected this edge, it only selected this plane and this plane. So if I want this to be defined, I'm going to select this edge. Tilde. Yep, did it again. Tilde again. Now I'm going to go to top. Okay, let's do the whole now. I'm going to do size dimension here. Place that there. And position this edge to that hole. Place that there. I'll change the precision to 3, so it's 0.625. And then this edge to this edge. And there. Check mark. Now if we check our... Okay. So that's pretty close. Now if I add one more datum, this should work. So I'm going to click here. It's set to B. Select the bottom surface, and it applied to that width dimension. Now if I check that again, we're fully green. So it's going to take some experimenting with this, but if we get the hang on this, we can start adding more geometric tolerances to this and maybe even simplify these drawings down and not have to use as many dimensions. Alright, good luck.